and welcome to the session on the demonstration of bleaching. As a beautician, you may come across clients who seek to address specific concerns related to their skin. Bleaching is a technique used to lighten facial superfluous hair that is visible but not very thick in growth. Additionally, bleaching the face and neck can help lighten areas of hyperpigmentations such as dark spots. It can result in a more even skin tone and a brighter complexion. By providing this service, you can help your clients feel more confident and satisfied with their overall appearance.
Objectives. Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to define and list the types of bleaching, prepare bleaching paste in correct ratio and conduct patch test, carry out pre-bleaching procedure, apply bleach on face and neck. Bleaching is a process of lightening the color of fine superfluous hair, skin, or other body parts. Skin bleach is made of various chemical substances, the chief component being hydrogen peroxide. It decreases the melanin creation in your skin, lightens your facial hair, and removes tan, thus resulting in a lighter shade. There are various purposes of using bleach. They are to lighten the facial or body hair, to remove the suntan, and to deep cleanse the skin and remove the dead cells. Here are some various types of bleaches. They include powder bleach. Magnesium carbonate or ammonia carbonate is used to make powder bleach. In this powder, hydrogen peroxide is mixed in liquid form and a paste is prepared. To this, 3 to 4 drops of ammonia are also mixed. This bleach is applied with the help of a brush on the skin. After 10 to 15 minutes, it is washed with plain water. Powder bleach is used for full body bleaching. Cream bleach. It is a very commonly used bleach. This type of bleach comes in a cream form, which is easy to apply and does not drip. Cream bleach has an activator. When mixed with the base cream, it bleaches the area applied to. It is commonly used for uneven complexion due to suntan and lighten the dark spots and brightening the skin tone. The cream bleach should be paraben-free. Liquid bleach. Liquid bleach is prepared by mixing some drops of ammonia and hydrogen peroxide. It is directly applied to the skin. Let's now take a look at the tools, materials, and equipment required for the bleaching procedure. We will need the following tools and equipment: facial bed, trolley, plastic bowl, bleach brush, spatula. We will also need the following materials: bleaching cream and activator, cotton, cleanser, bowl with ice and rose water, clean sanitized face towel, soothing lotion, facial tissue, headband or hairband. Before a bleaching procedure, it is important to prepare the client to ensure that the process is safe and effective. Here are some steps to prepare the client for a bleaching procedure. Observe the client's skin for any skin disorders, dry skin, acne, pimples infected, open wounds. If there is any type of skin issue, don't perform the bleaching procedure. After observation, fill the record card. Consult the client. Always suggest the client the right type of treatment as per the skin condition. It is important to discuss the client's expectations and explain the potential outcomes of the bleaching procedure. This will help manage their expectations and ensure they understand the process. Have the client sign a consent form to acknowledge that they understand the procedure and its potential risks. Sterilize the tools before and after giving treatment. Assemble the trolley with all the tools and materials required for the procedure. Seat the client on a comfortable bed. Remove the jewelry and keep them in her view or in a safe place. Help the client to wear the saloon gown. Wash and sanitize your hands. Maintain high standards of hygiene rules. Next, let's take a look at the procedure of preparing the cream bleach and conducting a patch test. Take out a small amount of cream in a bowl from the container. Here's a tip. Always check the expiry date of the product and ensure that the cream bleach is paraben-free. Mix a pinch of activator in a bleach cream. Here's another tip. Always follow manufacturer's instructions. Mix the paste evenly. Apply a small amount of prepared mixture on the client's inner fold of elbow and behind the ear. Leave it for 5 to 8 minutes and remove it with tepid water. Leave the particular area for 24 hours to observe any reactions on it. Let's now see the procedure of applying bleach. The procedure of bleaching the face and neck consists of 5 basic steps. They are: Step 1. Prepare the area for bleaching. Step 2. Apply and leave the bleach. Step 3. Check the bleach. Step 4. Remove the bleach. Step 5. Apply moisturizer or soothing cream. Let's look at each of these steps in detail. Step 1. Prepare the area for bleaching. Cleanse the face and neck with a mild cleanser. Gently pat the skin dry with a clean towel. Protect the eyes with cotton pads dipped in rose water. Ensure the area is free of oil and grease. Step 2. Apply and leave the bleach. Apply bleach on the face and neck using a brush. Check the time or set a timer for 5 to 8 minutes. Here's a best practice. Always start applying the bleach from the chin upwards, then upper lip area, as the hair in this particular area is thicker than the other facial hair. Safety tip: do not apply bleach on under eye area and lips. Cover the area evenly. Leave the bleach on the skin according to the client's skin type. A. For fair skin, 15 minutes. For wheatish skin, 10 minutes. For dark skin, 8 minutes. Step 3. Check the bleach. Check to see if the hair is bleached by removing the bleach from a small area. If the hair is not bleached, then leave it for 5 to 7 minutes again for processing. Step 4. Remove the bleach. Remove the bleach using a facial tissue. Wipe off with damp cotton wool. Then wash the face with cold water and pat dry the face and neck using tissue or soft towel. Step 5. Apply moisturizer or soothing cream. Now apply soothing cream or moisturizer according to the skin type. After completing the bleaching procedure, give clients some basic aftercare tips to protect their skin, such as: do not expose the skin directly in the sunlight after bleaching. Always use sunscreen or any protective lotion before going in the sunlight. Avoid using cosmetics for 24 hours after bleaching.
This brings us to the end of this session. Before concluding, let's look at the key points learned. Bleaching is performed to lighten hair and skin. The different types of bleaching include powder bleach, cream bleach, and liquid bleach. Before the bleaching procedure, always prepare the client and set the trolley. It's also important to conduct an allergy test 24 hours before the procedure. During the bleaching procedure, make sure you prepare the area to be treated. First, cleanse the face with a mild cleanser. Apply the bleach and cover evenly. After the specified time, check and remove the bleach. Wash the treated area and apply moisturizer. And finally, give aftercare advice to the client. Congratulations! You've just learned how to perform bleaching. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next session.